Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest trends in technology and their impact on society. Today, we're talking about the automation of jobs, specifically how artificial intelligence has the potential to revolutionize the way we work. As many of you may already know, AI is the branch of computer science that focuses on creating intelligent machines that can think and act like humans. These machines are designed to take on tasks that are typically performed by humans, such as data entry, customer service, and even complex decision-making processes. The benefits of AI automation are numerous. Increased efficiency and productivity. Machines are often able to work faster and more accurately than humans, which can lead to cost savings for businesses and improvements in the quality of products and services. Improved decision-making. AI algorithms are designed to analyze large amounts of data and make decisions based on that analysis. This can lead to more informed and accurate decision-making, as well as the ability to make decisions faster than humans. Enhanced customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are able to provide 24/7 customer service, improving the customer experience and freeing up human employees to focus on more complex tasks. Increased safety. In some cases, AI automation can improve safety by taking on tasks that are dangerous or unhealthy for humans to perform. Increased competitiveness. Businesses that adopt AI automation may have a competitive advantage over those that do not, as they are able to reduce costs and improve efficiency. Unfortunately, there are downsides to AI automation. One of the main ones is that it has the potential to displace human workers and lead to job loss. Many jobs that are currently performed by humans could be taken over by machines, particularly in industries that rely heavily on manual labor. This can lead to job displacement and potential unemployment, which can have significant social and economic impacts. Another potential downside is the cost of implementing AI automation. While the long-term cost savings may be significant, the upfront costs of purchasing and training on new AI systems can be high. This may be a barrier for small businesses or those with limited financial resources. There is also the risk of AI systems making mistakes or acting in unexpected or harmful ways. While AI algorithms are designed to be accurate and reliable, they are not perfect and there is always the possibility of errors occurring. This is particularly true in industries where the consequences of mistakes can be severe, such as healthcare or transportation. Finally, there are concerns about the potential for AI to perpetuate and amplify biases that may be present in the data used to train it. If the data used to train an AI system is biased, the system may make decisions that are biased as well. This is an area of active research and efforts are being made to mitigate this potential downside. There are several ways that the negative impacts of AI automation on employment can be mitigated. One approach is to provide retraining and education programs to help workers transition to new jobs or industries. This can involve providing financial assistance to cover the cost of tuition or other training expenses. It's important to note that the automation of jobs through AI is not a new phenomenon. Throughout history, new technologies have always had the potential to disrupt the job market and lead to job displacement. Overall, it's clear that AI automation has the potential to bring about significant changes in the way we work. While it may bring some benefits, it's important to carefully consider the potential impacts on employment and take steps to mitigate any negative effects. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe so you can tune in for our next video, where we'll be discussing the latest developments in AI and their potential impacts on society.